Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a toilet paper.
Let's start drawing.
First I'm going to draw the toilet paper. Like this. Excellent! Now let's draw a cute face for our toilet paper. I draw two cute eyes and its smiling mouth. Very good!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color our cute toilet paper, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Start with red, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. And blue. Purple. Pink. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.